Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Leslie and I just like to make videos of pretty much anything. I try to stick to one thing, but I really like to just share anything I enjoy. So if you guys enjoy my videos, you guys can subscribe down below, or like and comment. But yeah, in today's video I'm going to be doing a fridge organization. My fridge is not huge, it's a small fridge, so one day I do hope to have one of those big huge fridges because like it has so much space, but for now, like, this one's like, I mean, it's good for us. And also I want to share like a recipe to like what I drink every morning, and like I am not kidding when I say every morning I drink this like first thing. I haven't had it yet, but I'm about to after I do my video. But I will be sharing how I make it, and it's like a 4-ingredient thing which I grew up drinking when I was a kid because my dad used to make it for us all the time. It's like healthy, and you guys will see why. I also wanted to do a quick update, which is why I hopped on here before I even started my fridge organization. It's a quick update on my pregnancy. I know I made a video like the other day and I said I was going to be getting induced hopefully on the 2nd, which it is going to be on the 2nd, and it's tomorrow, or if you're watching it today, most likely it's gonna be today. So we're gonna get induced at 6 p.m. and I am excited. I am nervous because the other night I started having Braxton Hicks contractions, like actual contractions, and they lasted for an hour, and they were like a minute to 2 to 3 minutes apart, and they were like really hurting. Like they were going all the way to my back, and it just kind of reminded me of what labor was like, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous now, like it's getting real. But I ended up calling the hospital that day, and they told me like if it got worse, because it did calm down, and I let them know they had calmed down. Like I didn't have them after an hour, which was weird, because they were really strong for a whole hour and then they stopped. But they told me if it got worse to go in. If it wasn't, I mean, if it didn't get worse, then well, obviously not go. But the lady told me if the pain gets to the point where I can't walk or talk, then I should go. But my hospital where I go is like 45 minutes away from where I live, so I always kind of keep that in mind, like, okay, how bad my pain is, and how like soon I have to leave. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if I mentioned it's at 6 p.m. because 6 a.m. there's already 2 other girls in line, but in case that one of those girls doesn't go, or they had their baby before or whatever, they said that they will give me a call so I can go earlier. But I actually like that they told me 6 p.m. because that way I feel like I'm not leaving my baby for so long, because she's, you know, she's only 1 year old, and so I'm kind of sad about leaving her. My oldest, I mean, she's got it. She's 13, and she's actually gonna help me a lot with my daughter, and whoever's watching them. So I'm very happy and grateful for that. So that's pretty much it on my update. Yeah, there should be a baby here on Friday, hopefully. Hope my labor goes fast. And normally my last two, my oldest and my 1-year-old, they both lasted, I think it was 10 or 11 hours. So yeah, I hope I don't have that long, because I've heard of girls that have 4-hour labors, and I'm like, I want that. This is my 3rd child, hopefully it's like that, but I mean, I doubt it. But if anything, I just can't wait to hold her and meet her finally after so long. I feel like it's been forever that I've been pregnant. So yeah, if you guys are interested in watching my video for my fridge organization, keep watching, and I'll see you guys soon. So now I'm gonna show you guys what my fridge looks like before I organize and clean it out. As you can tell, it's really dirty and unorganized, and please excuse it because yeah, it's kind of embarrassing how dirty it is. But this is what it looks like, and I'll be showing you guys right now that I'm gonna start taking everything out and start kind of cleaning it up and stuff. So right here I'm about to show you the tomatillo. I'm gonna peel it and wash it, and that way I can tell like what's new and what's old. So the one that's peeled, it's older, and the ones that still have the leaf on it are the newer ones. So I'll know to use the ones that are peeled already for my salsas. And yeah, now I'm using a e-cloth to wipe down my fridge. The thing with the e-cloths, they say that you're only supposed to use water with them for them to work the way they're supposed to. So that's what I'm doing here. I don't like to use chemicals in my fridge. So yeah, I really like these cloths. Now I'm gonna be taking out one of that thing because it's so dirty, and when they're really dirty like that, I do like to take them out so I can wash them properly, and it's not like a wipe down won't like do. And then right here I'm just trying to figure out how to organize this area and what will work for my fridge, since like the size of it is not as big. But I kind of figured it out. Right here I kind of struggled a bit, but I ended up putting it back anyways, but it works out. And now I'm just gonna start adding things into my fridge. So next I'm gonna clear out the door area, which I didn't show you guys because it takes more time, but I'm wiping it down, and the door wasn't as dirty actually as the actual fridge, but this is me now like trying to organize it and put everything in its place. As you can see right here, I'm gonna try to figure it out because the bottles weren't fitting for the hot sauce. So I'm trying to lift it up, but then now the ketchup doesn't fit. So it's all just working with, you know, what you got and trying to figure it out to make it work. So I ended up changing the ketchup and the mustard to the bottom. So I'm done with organizing my fridge, and this is the after. I obviously have to go grocery shopping because I don't even have groceries right now. But right here I'm going to show you the tomatillo I was talking about. I peeled it, washed them, put it in there, and the other ones that have the leaves still are like the newer ones. And yeah, don't mind the chocolates, we like sweets here. So that is all, guys, and now I'm going to show you guys how I do my chocolate smoothie. I figured that's what it's called. Right here it's I'm showing you guys how much like nutrients it has, like all the vitamins and stuff, and pretty much the way you make it, it's however you want it. But I add milk, and then I add 2 bananas, but you can add 1 or 1.5, and then you're gonna add vanilla extract. I like using the one in the Hispanic aisle, which is one I'm gonna show you guys right now because that's the one I grew up using. And then with this, I don't have exact measurements, I just kind of I don't know, kind of guess whatever works for me. And then I like my smoothie very chocolatey, so I don't even know if I want to call it smoothie because it doesn't, I'm so used to licuado. But yeah, right here I already am blending it. Then I'm gonna add it into a cup, and then add ice into it after, because if I don't do it like this, then the ice will not blend well, or it'll be overfilled. And then I just kind of go back and forth with them to mix them. So that's all, guys. This is an easy recipe. You can take it on the go. You can also add egg, but I don't add it because I'm pregnant. But that's all, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know.